Greetings, traders. Don't throw away your time. I will explain you how to act more qualitatively. My experience is 10 years. I am helped by a robot assistant called MaxBot. It scans the market every second and helps you not to lose your guard, catch key moments and trends. You can get the robot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager, he will tell you everything. MaxBot can read not only regular currency pairs of over-the-counter trading. Now I will conduct a few transactions on the currency pair dollar-yuan OTC. The expiry time is 2 minutes. I look at the bot's recommendations on the 5-minute time frame to understand the trends. So, higher. This is a recommendation from artificial intelligence. I think that on the 2-minute time frame, the bulls will already be more confident than the bears. I see areas of rising lows. The bounce from the resistance area did not create a strong momentum, so the bulls have the opportunity to build up the advantage. Folks, to avoid missing out on new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Like and comment, it helps promote the channel. It motivates me to make even more valuable content for you. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Let's cut the fluff. Trading options isn't easy. It's not a shortcut. It's not a shortcut. It's a grind, a routine, a mindset. And if you're here because it isn't working out, that's not the end, it's the beginning. Start with money management. Here's the formula no one wants to admit. Risk only 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. That's how pros survive losing streaks. If you have $500, don't ever risk more than $5 to $10 per trade. It's not cowardice, it's self-preservation. Imagine a boxer throwing 1 punch per fight and never risking everything. That's discipline. That's survival. If you blow through your account early, you're out, game over. Stay in the fight long enough to win. Now, let's talk setbacks. Every successful trader has been here. Confused, doubting, questioning everything. Think about Rocky losing to Creed, then getting back on his feet. Think of Steve Jobs being fired from Apple. Think of Oprah being told she was unfit for television. They faced failure, and they didn't quit. Because failure isn't fatal. It's feedback, a lesson, a signal that something needs adjustment. If your account isn't green yet, you're learning. You're evolving. You're not failing, you're training. Here's where support matters. You don't have to do this solo. My AI assistant, right now free, but paid in a month, is that smart co-pilot who reads charts, analyzes patterns, flags opportunities, and filters emotion. It doesn't replace you. It powers you. If you've ever thought there must be a faster way to find setups, this is it. Grab the link in the description and start using it. No sales pitch, just better support. And yes, I've seen people transform. From 9-to-5 errors on autopilot to traders in control of their schedules. They didn't win by luck. They won by showing up consistently, using discipline, leveraging tools, and treating trading like a craft, not a gamble. You can be next. Important reminder. Trading is risk. Just like starting a business or launching a product. Risk is never optional. But when managed, it becomes a lever for growth. So, just now I've caught the trends correctly again. That's great. We help with training. To chat about training, email our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe. Link below the video. Let's do the math. With $100, risking $1 per trade means about 80 cents profit per win. Not bad for practice. But with $1,000, risking $10 per trade, your profit per win becomes $8. It's the same strategy, but scaled. That's why depositing responsibly can significantly improve your returns. Not reckless funding, just smart leverage. Sharpen your process. Don't trade blind. Break it down after every session. What triggered the entry? Did your indicators confirm your entry? Did you follow your rules or chase candles? Was your exit based on data or emotion? Journal everything. RSI, MACD, volume, price structure. Patterns aren't random, they're teachable. Pop culture moment. Remember the Matrix? Neo didn't get it instantly. He trained. He fell. He doubted. Then he saw the code. In trading, your Waterloo is learning. Your breakthrough is discipline. Your code is data analysis. Here's the kicker. Big accounts don't guarantee success, but they create options. With $100, progress is slow. With $1,000, it accelerates. That's power of capital. Fund your account within your means, and it works harder for you. Final push. If you're still here, comment now. What's your go-to strategy? How do you manage your 1 to 2% risk? Which indicator signals matter most for you? Share your process. Let's build a real community around real trading, not hype. Like this video if this spoke to you. Subscribe if you want more straight talk, sharp tools, and honest insights. Trading doesn't reward excuses. It rewards consistency. It rewards preparation. It rewards work. You've got this. Let's get to work. So, I keep moving toward my goals. Let's take a moment to zoom out. If you think this journey is just about making quick money, pause. It's deeper than that. Trading is a mirror. It reflects who you are under pressure. It reveals how you handle chaos, how you bounce back from loss, how you chase growth when nothing is guaranteed. You ever notice how athletes like Kobe Bryant or Serena Williams trained for years for moments that lasted seconds? That's the trader's mindset. Repetition, review, relentless focus. That's what separates the ones who try trading from the ones who master it. You're not just learning to trade. You're learning to manage risk like a hedge fund. You're learning to think probabilistically like a poker player. You're learning to delay gratification like a Navy SEAL. That's power. That's growth. And it's okay if no one around you gets it. Most people don't. Most people won't understand why you stare at charts for hours. Why you journal red days. Why you're obsessed with improvement. That's fine. Trading is lonely at times, but success isn't about the crowd. It's about the climb. Let's talk about process again, because the process is the product. Every trade you place is a vote for the trader you're becoming. Every setup you journal, every pattern you study, every emotion you contain, it all adds up. You're building a system, not just of trades, but of habits, mental frameworks, and routines. And let me say this. If you've taken losses, good. If you've blown an account before, good. That means you've paid your tuition. You've got skin in the game. Now apply the lessons. Make those mistakes expensive once, but never again. Use tools that help you make data-driven decisions. Review your trades with surgical precision. Stop guessing, start calculating. Let your strategy evolve. Let your mindset evolve. In the meantime, I have completed my work. Subscribe and hit the bell. I'll be back to you soon with fresh ideas.